Please. Nowadays I am very busy, otherwise that's why I'm late. But you have taken it, you have continued with the work very well, mashallah. So shall we start again?
Yes,
please?
sir.
Yes.
Sometimes maggots or leeches are used as a treatment to suck out the bad blood and bacteria from the body. Is it a successful method of treatment, and is it permissible in Islam?
In fact, this is a very successful method which was used by Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Sahaba. So it is not only permissible, I think it's an excellent way of cleansing the blood. Because I have noticed this in some systems which are prevalent in the Punjab in relation to animals as well. It is difficult for them to operate upon cows and buffaloes when a specific part of their body is swollen with this unclean blood, and it has to be taken out somehow. So they apply leeches, and in one case I am witness myself. The leech was applied, leech after leech, and when it was filled with all dirty blood, it fell down. The mouth got unstuck because of the heavy load on the body. And after a few repetitions of the same experience, the animal was absolutely healthy and normalized, returned to normal health. So I don't know why they thought of this, but this is a good system.